Yeah, so hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today as we're going to discuss what are the features that you get in the Pixel ROM when you install in your room. So the device that I'm using is basically the this is Poco X3 Pro, and I have installed the Pixel Experience Plus ROM on this. So let me tell you about the first the goodies that you will be getting while installing this. So if you come into the Google Photos, you will be getting unlimited and free and unlimited storage saver quality from your Pixel device. So basically this device is Google Photos recognizes that this device is a Pixel device. So this gives us like free and unlimited photos to store and videos also, so that you can avail the feature. The second thing that I like about this is this recorder app. Basically what it does is, like, if I record this, it will transcribe it. Like for example, if as you can see here, like this and all, like this will record in real time and this will be done. Yeah, and what you can do here, suppose I have recorded this. Now if I want to, anyway, if I want to cut also, I want to this one and then cut. So this will be cut and this will be trimmed here, all the audio also. So this is a very great feature if you want to record your lectures and all. That is also a very great feature to experience too. The third feature, this is not actually a feature, but this is the thing that I like in the Pixel device. Basically I came from the MIUI. So this is the feature. Basically this is the music thing. So this is appended in the tiles section, not in the notification one. As you can see, my notification starts from here, and this is the Oppo band. So basically this is appended into the tiles section, as you can see here. Now I can switch my phone speaker to my my earpods or my speaker or my home theater also. So this is the way. It is very convenient too. And yeah, so this is the third feature. The fourth feature that I am going to describe you is the live caption feature. Basically in the live caption, what you can do is, if you are playing the video, for example, I have on this, and you can also find your notification panel also, volume panel, sorry. So this is the that you can see. Basically if I start the video, let's say key, yeah, so I played this video on my YouTube, and you can see here okay, this is live captioning, this the audio thing, and this is the caption that you can get. This you can also move over and here if you want, and this is a very great feature. I think this is also a great feature if you are not into the these captions are not there and you want to do this thing. Yeah, so this is the third feature. Okay, let me remove this one, and okay, yeah, so these are all the feature. And the fourth feature that I want to display over here, as you can see here, if I do the recent thing, and you can see, and also I can take the screenshot, the scroll shot also. This is the feature that is already there. This is not the Pixel exclusive feature. The Pixel exclusive feature is the select option. I can copy, as you can see here, I can copy this image also. I can use the lens, I can use the share, copy, save, and all whatever thing I want. I can also copy the text also, as you can see here, in everything. For example, I can copy these settings in also. For example, let's say I want to select this one, and then I can copy this thing also. I have copied and then copy. Yeah, so these are all the features that I want to convey to you guys. So basically I am using this ROM for around a month now, more than a month now to be fair, and I have using the as my daily driver. I have using my WhatsApp, Spotify, and all the banking application. It is working very fine. And if you want have any doubt, or you want to try out this ROM, so my suggestion would be please go try it out. This is a very good ROM, and the developer has done a very good job, and kudos to developer. Yeah, so that's all. These are all the features, and if you like the feature, you can subscribe to my channel. I'll be bringing out more videos now. Yeah, thank you.